By using a slow shutter speed and a light source, you can create stunning photographs. This photography style is known as light painting. In order to prepare for a shoot, you will need different accessories that just isn't worth the effort. However, light painting is an art that not many people have the patience to learn and master. After a lot of trial designs, we've come up with the Magilight, the ultimate all-in-one practical tool, which allows you to master light painting in minutes. Whether you are a professional photographer, light painting artist, or an enthusiast, Magilight has been created to effortlessly fit all your light painting needs in an all-in-one stick. It is extremely easy to create a light paint photography with Magilight. Set your camera in long exposure mode, select the image, and press the shutter. Now, all you need to do is to hold and move Magilight to create stunning photographs. Thanks to the 144 high-quality LED light bulbs, you can adjust the brightness, color temperature, and even RGB values. With the continuous motion setting, you can create the light painting animation without every time choosing the image. The unique blinking mode allows you to produce the flash effect easily. Featuring a titanium body and adjustable tighteners, you can easily adjust Magilight to your likings. With the bearing rotator, you can spin it effortlessly and create incredible photos. Magilight is also compatible with universal sliders and stands. The lithium batteries are rechargeable. With only a single charge, it lasts for 8 hours, so you can take it anywhere you want. Now you can simply create stunning photos with Magilight. Magilight, the ultimate all-in-one light painting tool for you.
At Planet Computers, we are passionate about typing, writing, being productive, creating on the go. Since the introduction of touchscreen mobile phones and tablets, we feel that it is very difficult to type on these types of devices. We decided to reinvent the palm-sized keyboard mobile device that will benefit many who miss using the keyboard on the move. From bloggers and creatives that need to constantly write, professionals who need to read and write email, create and edit documents and spreadsheets.
hope you're interested in what we're trying to do. We think it's going to be a great device. Thanks for watching.
Please support us on Indiegogo.